All right, guys. So this is the new GCODE.io interface. I went with a dark theme. I got some new features in here, and I improved a lot of the features that I already had. So one of the things I added was I added a section view. So what you could do is you could right click, you can go to section view, you could choose a layout, and I'm going to choose this layout. Now they're color coded, so check this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this toolpath. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to assign to section view 1, and I can name this. I can rename this right here. We'll name it 1.5 bold. Right? So then what I can do is I can go over here, and I'm going to select all of this. This goes to basically the same toolpath, just in different locations. So I want to organize this so it's easy to actually kind of consume when you look at the program, because it's a long program. When you start messing around with long programs and you're trying to edit, I don't know. I find it handy. I like it. Long mill programs with a bunch of tools and a bunch of sub programs. This is great for sub programs. A bunch of 4 or 5 axis work. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna right click right here, go to section view, assign to section view 2, and we're gonna rename this there we go. So if you notice, it is color coded, right? Very helpful. So you can go through and basically organize everything that you need to. So I'm gonna go over here, section view, I'll make this 3, I'm gonna rename it 1.5 inch hole. And this is my 5/8 drill. Add a section view. Anyways, this is very good for if you have a lot of sub programs. Now, this is just an example. Really, where this really becomes a benefit is with sub programs.